Hi guys, today I'm gonna make chicken mole. These are my ingredients. Sa pot with water, ilagay mo yung chicken, onion, garlic, pepper, and bay leaf. Boil this for 25 minutes to half an hour. Then once the chicken is cooked, tanggalin mo na lang siya isa-isa. Make sure you save the chicken broth kasi gagamitin natin to pag-mix ng mole paste. Then yung chicken broth, strain mo siya para ma-save yung chicken broth kasi gagamitin natin siya again. So on another pot, ilagay mo na yung mole paste. Dalawa lang ang ginamit ko dito. And then mix it and make sure it's on a low heat. Then, put little by little, siguro mga 2 scoop at a time ng chicken broth. Haluin mo lang siya. Make sure you mixed it in a low heat. Then, pagka ganyan na, dagdagan mo na lang siya ng chicken broth pa rin. And then, haluin mo pa rin. Pagka ganyan ang itsura niya, dagdagan mo pa rin na siguro another 2 scoop pa. Kasi, it's still thick. Ayaw mo na masyadong thick. And just keep mixing kasi you don't want to burn this. So just keep mixing. Make sure that the mole paste is all melted. Pagka ganyan na, you wanna see, gusto mong try mo, i-taste mo siya. Kasi spicy at saka hot ito. So para hindi siya masyadong spicy, what I do is I add half a chocolate bar. And then, imimix ko siya until mag-melt na silang lahat, pati yung paste at saka yung chocolate. Pagka ganyan na, medyo malapit pa rin, I still don't like. Gusto ko yung pagka in-scoop ko siya, gusto ko medyo may pagka-watery pa. So, dinagdagan ko pa siya ng another 2 more scoop. This one, gusto ko yung consistency niya na ganyan. Pagka ganyan na, ibalik mo na yung chicken and make sure you put it at the bottom, layer by layer. Itong chicken na ginamit ko, meron siyang skin kasi yan ang gusto ng asawa ko, may skin. Pero to be healthy, mas maigit, tanggalin mo na lang yung skin. Then let it boil for couple minutes lang. Then once you serve it, put some Spanish rice and beans. Enjoy!